Hello everyone and welcome to another website design tutorial brought to you by Check Technology. Today we will be diving into the cPanel file manager to learn how to upload files seamlessly. Now, whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, mastering these skills is essential. So let's get started. I'm going to put you through with some steps. Now, the first step is accessing your cPanel. Now, once you go to your browser, I'm going to be using a recent domain which I just got and I'm hosting for this domain, and currently it's live but it's not showing anything, so I want to upload a web file to it, the coming soon web file. So I want to access the cPanel for this website. I'm only going to come to the front of the website domain name, and then I'm going to put a /cPanel so that it takes me straight to the login page for my cPanel. So yes, we are currently at our login page for our cPanel. So I'm now going to insert the user information in order to log into this cPanel. So you see me in the next phase where I have logged into the cPanel for this web. So yes, this is the cPanel tools. There's a dashboard for the cPanel. Second step is we are locating our file manager. If you look at it, we have different tools. We have the email, we have the build support. This is the files, and here's the file manager. We have the database and a lot of them. But we're sticking to the files, and here is the file manager. So we're going to click on it for it to take us to our file manager. Yes, this is our file manager. Next step is choosing the directory where you want to save your file. It is always advisable, or it is practice, that you go to your public_HTML. So I'm going to click in on it. The next thing is I'm going to be uploading the file. Here's the upload menu. We'll click on it. We are now in the step of uploading our files. So we now go to our system to locate where the file is. Meanwhile, there are two patterns of uploading files. The first one is you taking it file by file. The other one is you just picking it up as a folder. For me, I'm going to be doing the folder. I'm going to be picking up it as a folder. So here is my desktop, and here's the file I want to upload. Before I upload it, I'm going to zip this file. And for you to zip the file, you just right click on the folder, and then you come to send to compress zip folder. So automatically it will zip the file for you, the folder for you, I mean. So yes, now the zip folder for our coming soon, the folder which we want to upload. So from here now, so let's do our select file. And remember, where we had that is on our desktop. So let's go to our desktop, and this is the file we want to take in, which is a folder which has been compressed, and I've selected it. So the next step is verifying the uploaded file. If you look at it, it is green now, it is successful, but we still need to verify from our file manager that this has been uploaded. Now when we come back here, you come back to this place, you do a reload, you find out that this our coming soon zip file is here. So the next thing we want to do now is to extract this file. And then if you right click, once you right click, you see extract. You click on extract and you say extract file, and everything has been extracted. So this is now our coming soon folder. Meanwhile, you can decide to delete this because we don't need it anymore. We've extracted what we want. Now you go into the coming soon because we want to move all, and then you do select all and you move. We are moving it to our, and then we'll move all, and then we'll go up 11. If you notice now, everything now, it's now on this page. Now I want us to go back and check this on our browser to see if it's going to run now. And then if you see now, it's running. It's giving us our coming soon page. So thank you guys. This is just a simple and fast way to upload all your files down to the server. If you're interested in learning how we design this coming soon page, you can look down at the description below. I'll be dropping the link where we went through the whole process creating this beautiful coming soon page. Kindly subscribe to this channel, give a thumbs up if this video has been helpful to you, make comments on what other videos you would like me to come up with, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks very much.